it at TJ Maxx for $19.99. I'm going to use heat protectant all over. I'm going to start by brushing all my hair. I'm basically separating my hair individually into equal parts so that I can start curling my hair. I then put my hair up in a bun so that I can work around my hair. I find it so funny. Look at my hair clip. All over. It smells amazing. First time using it. It's really freaking hot. I love how my hair is so shiny. Woo! Girl. I'm midway done. I already finished with the bottom layer. I still continue to spray heat protecting all over. It is very important so that you won't burn your hair, especially if you have light hair. I like to brush in between my curls so that I can have a smooth curl. So far, I'm really enjoying the curling iron. I mean, it's so easy to put on. I drop it every 30 seconds. It's doing a good job. I find the hardest part is the back. You can't see from the back, so you have to reach in the back and then try to curl in. I do curl sideways, middle, and to the back, and basically create a pattern around my whole crown. I honestly love all the volume that it's creating as I go. It's giving me great volume. Like, I could see the curling iron is doing a great job. I really do like it. I'm done with my quinceañera curl. Nothing against quinceañeras, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna go in with this beautiful rejuvenating oil all over. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finger comb all over. Kind of like destroy them, but not destroy them. So that it can give me a nice shine. Now for my baby hairs up here, I'm gonna go in with First Fix. It's gonna basically fix my face and tame down my baby hairs. And a little bit of my Glossy Shine mist so that I can have that glow. You see that glow from the rejuvenating oil itself. And here is my hair. I love it. Last review on my new curling iron. I love it. I was able to curl every 30 seconds. I would drop it and it will curl. I don't have to come back twice. I love it. TJ Maxx. And this is what I used to achieve my beautiful hair.